So with workplace safaris that we have been on as a school, it's allowed the pupils to have a huge breadth and depth of a workplace. An understanding of that workplace and the pathways to get there has been phenomenal.
My favourite part today was walking around doing a site tour and learning and going to seeing all the different workplaces that are on the site, and like seeing the factory, the marketing, the accounting and everything. It is very inspiring to see the amount of women, as this type of workforce is mainly stereotyped to men, and I feel like that is very eye-opening to see.
The way that people spoke about their jobs today was definitely inspiring to seek out a job that I love and that I want to share with other people too.
I really enjoyed it, to be honest. It kind of opened my eyes a little bit as to the world of work, because obviously I only know education. I was really sort of surprised at how much kind of like goes into making light fittings, to be honest. It was phenomenal. I was like, I'll come and work here, this is great.
I think the young people today responded really positively and they were genuinely shocked. You know, we were surprised how big it was, how clean it is, the variety of roles that are covered in the one building here. So I think that the feedback generally was really positive.
Workplace safaris allow pupils to go into different sectors and look at the different pathways, such as apprenticeships, which can allow pupils to learn on the job, develop those skills and also earn whilst they're learning.
What hit me most was someone approaching me and actually telling me that I inspired them. We've got similar interests, and maybe that could have ignited some sort of career decision for them later down the line.
Seeing young pupils leave these experiences with greater visions for their own futures is incredibly fulfilling, and it also reaffirms our importance of the work that we're doing in careers.